E71 off-road.
Hello and welcome back. My name is Diggins E71. I just got off work. I'm heading home to get the truck finished up for race night tonight. Hey, I think it's the same shirt I was wearing last time, but don't worry, my washing machine works sometimes. Anyway, headed home to get the truck ready. Worked on it yesterday, pretty much buttoned up everything I needed to do. One of the only other things I need really is to wash it. It got pretty nasty when I was out playing in the street the other day. It's got mud all under it and all over the sides. And of course, we like to be courteous to our track staff. Make sure that's nice and clean before we hit the track. So that's first thing first, go home. Change out of this shirt. I've been wearing it for a week straight. Just kidding. Anyway, first things first, go home, get the truck washed, get it loaded up, and head on down to the track. Except I do have one tiny little secret. I'm gonna turn the boost up. Filling up. At 156. So we have my buddy Johnny. He's pulling up here. He has a really cool Cummins powered Ranger. Let's see what he's got. Dadgum. Almost got away from him there. So his name is Johnny. He's got a really nice shop down in South Florida. But yes, that is a Cummins powered Ranger. He's running it on a 275 radial. We're going to try to go X275 racing with that here in about a month or so, almost a month. So maybe we can get that spin down there at the 60, 80 foot mark. We'll get that figured out. All right, so finally getting around to race time. We're about to load up for Q1. The diesels here, they have a couple of pro classes, Pro Street, Pro Mod, Pro Dragster. Couple of those things, but those guys had to get their Q1 out of the way. They have 2 more rounds tomorrow, but now that they're all finished up, they're about to call us to the lanes for Q1 of Extreme Street, Street Truck, and 8.0. There's a couple of grudge races mixed in there, but we're gonna get this thing going for you guys. All right, so shakedowns are done. I was on my way to my personal best by far, and I hit a boost cut. I forgot to move it, so I changed. We talked earlier about the way I was going to change my boost strategy, and I did not move the boost cut, so it cut ignition when I hit right at 20 pounds, which is way lower than I wanted to be. So we moved that up to 27. I'm going to try again. I drew for first round here. Somebody's driving like a maniac on their golf cart. But I drew a pretty nice Duramax, a cat eye truck. I don't know anything about it. I know he's a 670 index racer, but that's all that I know. So we're gonna hope that I don't hit boost cut this time. I mean, if I hit 27 pounds, we're making some sauce and I need to cut it. But hopefully we can make a pass here, go A to B, but wish me luck. Well, feel like we had a good pair going down for first round, but the pair well, 2 pairs in front of us had a drastic oil down. Pretty much every drop of oil on a truck ahead of us got dumped on the track, but I realized I didn't tell you guys on my shakedown I set a new personal best at one point with a 1.44 60 foot. That was a goal of mine to go 1.4, and I did that. I crushed it. But as you can tell, the pass did not end that greatly. So pretty sure I was going around. We put a little more spice in the tune-up, and I hit a boost cut. So somewhere around, right around the gear change, where I would normally do my 1-2 shift, it just laid over on me, cut spark, and it didn't let me finish out. But I'm incredibly happy about this 144. I know that we have something to work with here, and we're only going to get faster. So, my name is Diggins E71. Thanks for watching. Maybe next time we'll come back and get that 650 we're looking for.